Welcome to English for Newbie. Let's begin together.
We're excited to learn with you.
It's going to be so much fun. Yeah, let's start now.
Wow, he's jumping so high. Go, doggy, go.
Okay, let's see the next step.
Okay, big meeting, very important meeting. The whole team is watching. I need to look professional. I need to look confident. I need to...
Mom! Captain Fluffy is about to fly over the rainbow. This is the best part. Can everyone please be quiet? I have my science test in 20 minutes. I need to concentrate.
Okay. Camera is on. Background looks good. Coffee is ready. I am ready. I am a professional.
He's flying! He's flying! Captain Fluffy is... Captain Fluffy?
And in that moment, they realized the internet had become the center of their world. The internet is not working.
I know. Captain Fluffy stopped flying.
This is a problem.
We'll figure it out.
Mom! Mommy!
The internet stopped?
I have a meeting in 18 minutes with my boss and the whole team.
I have my science test in 18 minutes online. If I miss it, I get a rainbow. Captain Fluffy stopped flying. He was right at the rainbow.
Okay, everyone calm down.
Okay. I see the problem.
What is the problem?
The lights are the wrong color.
Yes, that is what no internet looks like, Dad.
When the lights are wrong, you need to restart it. Everyone knows this.
Okay, that didn't work. But that's the first step. There are more steps.
What is step 2?
Step 2 is you unplug it again. But this time you wait longer.
Dad, that is the same step. You are doing the same step twice.
It is not the same step. The first time I waited 5 seconds. This time I will wait 10 seconds. That is double. That is different. Okay, I'm unplugging it again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8.
9, 10 seconds we don't have.
Work, please. I am asking you nicely.
Yes, please. Captain Fluffy needs you.
This is not how routers work. It cannot hear you.
I know what to do. I will press all the buttons.
Do not press all the buttons. You reset it to factory settings.
I made it worse, didn't I?
It's okay, Daddy. You tried.
Hello? Yes, I am calling about our internet. It is not working. Yes, I will hold.
I have 15 minutes. I can use my phone as a hotspot. Yes, a hotspot. Genius. Poor connection? Poor connection? Do you know how important this meeting is?
Dad, you're using all the hotspot data. I need it too.
I got here first.
But I have homework due. Both of you, calm down.
Dad, I have a test, a grade. This goes on my report card.
I have a meeting with my boss. This goes on my career.
Okay, let's think about this properly. Dad, call your boss right now before the meeting starts. Tell him the internet is down. Ask to join by phone only with no video now.
That could work. But I look unprofessional without video.
You look more unprofessional if you don't show up at all. Call now. You still have 13 minutes.
Okay, you're right.
My test. If I email my teacher right now and explain with a screenshot of the error message, she might give me an extension. That is a very good idea. Teachers understand technical problems, as long as I contact her before the test starts, not after. Okay, done. Now we wait. Good thinking, Vanessa. I also have a problem. What's your problem, Eli? Captain Fluffy stopped mid-rainbow. I need to know if he made it to the other side. Eli, that is not the same kind of problem.
It feels the same.
Hello? Yes, our internet is not working. The router lights are all off. My husband pressed all the buttons and reset it. Yes, all of them, I know.
I understand. Let me check your account.
Okay. There is an outage in our area. The whole street has no internet.
What? The whole street?
How long will it take to fix? 2 hours, possibly 3.
3 hours? Is 3 hours a long time?
Yes, 3 hours is a long time.
Is it longer than Captain Fluffy?
Captain Fluffy is a cartoon, Eli. It is about 12 minutes long. So 3 hours is many Captain Fluffies?
Yes. 3 hours is about 15 Captain Fluffies.
15!
Eli, calm down.
That's a long time, buddy.
It's forever!
My teacher replied,
What did she say?
Dear Vanessa, thank you for contacting me before the test.
You see? You handled it the right way. She said, well done for being responsible. Because you were.
She's a good teacher. I think Vanessa is happy. I can hear you.
So last week at work, this happened.
Oh no, what?
The printer exploded in paper.
And the manager said, that's not a printer, that's a sandwich. And I nearly...
Oh, the internet is back.
It is?
Wait, really?
Yes, it's working!
Thank goodness.
I will finish Captain Fluffy later. I'm nearly at the end of my chapter.
So the manager, he picks up the sandwich and he tries to put paper in it.
Stop! How did he not know it was a sandwich?
The Evernet one letter, wait, because something bad almost happened to your wait.
Okay, let's work.
Almost done. Me too.
Okay, finished. All right, let's go.
Where to, Dad?
I'm hungry. Outage. When electricity or internet stops for many people. There was an internet outage on our street.
Let's review the word router. A router is a small machine that gives your home internet. Dad tried to fix the router but made it worse. Restart, to turn something off and turn it on again. The first step is to restart the router. A connection is a link between your device and the internet. For example, Vanessa's laptop showed connection lost. This means the link was broken. Let's review the word hotspot. A hotspot is using your phone's data to give internet to another device. For example, Jason used his phone as a hotspot. Let's look at extension. It means more time given to finish something. For example, Vanessa asked her teacher for an extension. This gave Vanessa extra time to complete her project. And that's it for today.
For more English learning videos, visit our channel and keep practicing with us.